Welcome to our tutorial about the Breakout tool. The Breakout tool removes material to expose hidden parts and features for better observation. Let's begin by going to our part. We're going to create a sketch. Right-click, New Sketch, Top View. And I'm going to create a few holes right here. Let's create some circles. And right-click, Done. Let's give them an equal relation. And let's dimension them also. An 1/8 of an inch. OK. Exit the sketch, return. Activate the Extrude tool and select these profiles. Let's make them 1/2 inch deep. OK. And let's go back to our drawing. As you see, the drawing was updated automatically. Next, let's select the front view. Sketch. Let's use the Spline tool. I'm going to create a profile, something like this. And let's close it. Right-click. Done. Let's exit our sketch, return. Now select the top view. Let's create another sketch using the Line tool. Something like this. Right-click and done. Now let's exit our sketch and activate the Breakout tool. The Breakout tool dialog window opens. Under Depth, we have a few options: From Point, To Sketch, To Hole, and Through Part. Let's select To Sketch. We're going to select this sketch and click OK. And there's our breakout. To edit the breakout, simply double-click on it. Let's select From Point this time. We'll select this line and click OK. As you see, the breakout view has been modified significantly. This concludes our tutorial about the Breakout tool.